Chihuro ekitebekanisi bw'omunyeshengero wa Shima Municipality Honorable Dickson Kateshumbwa omumakaje n'ekigendererwa ky'okuvuganaho abanyadini hamwe n'abebembezi Archbishop wahumwire Henry Orombi asimire nkwatanisa eyashangireho.
Every soil which is tilled is blessed by rain. And rain will come anywhere except the garden which is tilled and ready, that will receive the rain. The garden which is not tilled and ready will grow grass. You can't eat it. So my people, I blessed them. I told them how to do things. They told me, trust us. I'm still waiting to trust them. But for you, I commend you.
Kongera karabura ngwentunguka kayizire abazire bayorra abana bawo buroro babahindura bo kubakora buri kimwe ekintu cyagizire ngwe no rukikora akirekeraho.
Of a lesson Ugandan state land. There are many places we are not growing. I know here you would like to grow very fast, but the children are also a problem now because the ethics of work that you people grew up in is no longer there. Things come very easy for them now. They want a smartphone, they can get it. They want the latest gadget, you can give it to them. They don't even work for it. The family that I own, I have people who are brought by God to me. You don't get money from me unless you work. And they have to work for it, and they work, because if they don't work, I have to ask somebody else to come. And I give that money to them. Why don't I give it to you who is in my own compound?
Bamwe banyadini abari ha mukono gugumwe bayorekere ngo kwatanisa n'ikintu kibibaganyirwe munonga kandi aba bagizire ngo ruhanga nomwe konke dini nizo nyingi.
Kandi eshonge dini ku munonga ahabukanira tomu. Amadini no kwikirizana bakamenya ngo ubona baramizo gatakushana ukabona n'abantu bakanga buri hansi y'umukono. Abo kati n'umuntu yirizire ngo ari umudini ndisho nicyo kurebera utari ibintu bizira umunsi umwe ngo rahangajya ati ibintu by'abedina nabiretera hamwe amanya ngo n'ibintu byito kabantu bari yahangira umuceshaki
nk'amadini nzweta yayira zo wa chidikoni zo wa parish priest ntwatanisa noborabe Archbishop yakigamba yacungera mu mani ariyo nayongera itafari aha kintu uridekero kandi icyo muco murungi itwe tukoragana n'abamadini bunga kureka all leadership aba politicians n'aba leaders abandi twatanisa nabo.
Omunyeshengero Honorable Dickson Kateshumbwa nako kushoborera ngo abakiriyo mbiyira ebyo kwahura mu nganda no mu dini abona bahekera bentunguka.
Abantu aboku bagansama abantu mu madini nibaba batari eje korane yenyuma abokuba ranga twena katanga yomo mudiniye kandi waburi umwebembezi oshemeye kwebembera byomwe. So itwe nkaba members ba parliament ituzumira enkora yona umuntu wena rukwicereza umukubaganisa abantu mu madini one politician wano mwebembezi wedini enkora ejo ntujumira kandi tusaba ngo etagarukamo umurishema
kuraga gasha kwagera tugume aba Sky TV ya Genshonga umurishema.